We are at the Progress User Conference in Noordwijk, and I'm talking to Tom Kincaid, Vice President Engineering at Progress. Tom, welcome. Thank you for joining us.
My pleasure.
What are the challenges in engineering when you're working with global teams around the world doing the product development?
Okay. Thanks very much. I'll first answer what the benefits are, and then we'll get into the challenges. So the benefits really are we can work an issue, a customer issue, around the clock. So people in the U.S. get tired, they pass it over to people in Europe, they pass it over to people in India, and the issue continues to work around the clock till the customer's satisfied. The other benefit is we have engineers, developers who can interact with our customers who are often developers in any location. And since we have Progress developers all over the world, having people in all these geographies really helps us. The challenge is, I'd say the biggest challenge by far is time zones. Scheduling a meeting when everybody can come, that's what hurts. And you have, when you have Europe, India, and Boston, it's tough. But if you throw in California, which we now do, it gets even more challenging. Some people got to get up at 6 in the morning. Some people got to stay up till 11 at night. And we try to rotate the pain is the way we manage that challenge. The other challenge sometimes is the holiday schedules, and you just have to be very conscious of them. October and November are particularly challenging between Thanksgiving and what they call holiday in India called Diwali. It's a lengthy one, so we schedule around those, and we make it work when we build our schedules at the beginning.
Can you talk a bit about the 3 key technology innovations for Progress?
So I'll talk a little bit about the innovations that my particular organization is focusing on. There are innovations happening all over Progress, some outside my organization. But in the coming year, we're going to be very focused on user experience, giving people brilliant user experiences for our products, particularly developers developing new applications. Another area will be the cloud. People who want to go to software as a service have a great scalable, highly available solution that they deploy as a software as a service. And the third area is around analytics. We want people to be able to make good business decisions based on good information. So we want to provide analytic capabilities in the products.
What are the benefits, in your opinion, of working with Agile methodology with your internal engineering and product development department?
So I think the biggest benefit is you have focused periods of time called sprints where nothing's supposed to be interrupted. The team's going to work on that. And anything that comes in, people ask for requests or things like that, you put it in the backlog and you plan it for the next sprint. And so you're continually able to adapt to whatever the marketing needs, whatever product management needs. They just can't break the sprint. You got that 2 to 3 weeks of focus. Then you reevaluate about what's next. And just being able to respond that way and then review the sprint to see what can go better, what went really well, what you want to continue to do for the next sprint.
And how did the Agile methodology affect the tooling that you're offering for the software development community?
That's a great question. So when we acquired Telerex several years ago, they had a product called Team Pulse. We internally have switched all our development efforts to use this product. It's Agile. It's a product to help people who are doing development use Agile methodologies. We love it internally. We use it, but it's a product for developers by developers. And it's been a real asset to our organization.
Well, it's been a short interview, but I'd like to thank you very much.
Well, I'd like to thank you as well. I appreciate you having me.
Okay.
Thank you.